you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today's video is gonna be another cooking video. So I'll be making black pepper chicken sauce. So basically I marinated the chicken first, then I mix all the sauces that I'm gonna use together: soy sauce, oyster sauce, fish sauce, and sesame seed oil sauce in a bowl. Then I marinated the chicken. I first of all I stir fried the chicken. Then I added the green sliced pepper, bell pepper. Then onion. Then I put on the mixed sauce and I mix everything together. It's a pretty simple recipe to do if you follow all the steps, and I hope you enjoyed this kind of video. Relax and please subscribe to my channel, give me thumbs up, comment on this video. I really want to hear what you think about this video, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks. So here I'll be mixing up all the sauce. I have this is a rice vinegar sauce. I put it in. I have the sesame seed oil. I'm gonna be adding a few drops. Then this is the oyster sauce. I'm gonna be adding a few drops in the mixture. This is a soy sauce. I'll be adding some soy sauce to it. Then I added this. This is the lime cilantro sauce to give it like a lime flavor. And this is a teriyaki sauce. I'm adding to the sauce mixture. I'm also be adding this minced garlic. It's already minced and it comes in this bottle. So I'll add in the minced garlic, and also there's a minced ginger. I'll be just squeezing it some in the bowl. So after a few drops, I'm just gonna mix everything together with a spoon. So this is actually gonna be my sauce for this recipe. Then now I started here. I pre-boiled the chicken breast. So now I'll be frying it until it's golden brown. Then I'll add the green bell pepper and I'll start mixing it to avoid it getting burnt. You see me turning the green bell pepper with the chicken. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. This is a good time to subscribe. And now I'm adding the black pepper. Black pepper is like the secret ingredient. And lots of black pepper. It gives it a flavor. The black pepper flavor, of course, the name of the recipe. So I added a bunch of this black pepper to this recipe. And I keep mixing it. So I'll wait for like a while. And as you can see, I'm waiting for it to cook for a while. I'm still adding more black pepper to the recipe. And I mix it again. Still adding more black pepper and mixing it up. Now I'm adding my onion. I like adding onion last because I want the onion to be kind of crunchy. So I don't add it first. So kind of add it later after I've already added the green bell pepper. Then I'll mix everything together. Now I add the mixed sauce that I mixed initially. Then I'm adding chicken broth to it. And let it go for a while. Then I added the cornstarch, kind of making to help thicken the sauce. And I'll mix everything together. So this recipe, this is black chicken pepper sauce. You can eat it with a lot of things. You can eat it with white rice or just fried rice on the side. Then, but in this video, I used fried sweet potato. So this is the finished product and the sweet potato. I hope you like this video. Enjoy.